Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's a brand new year, so I want to wish you a very happy new year, and I want to share with you what is needed for a perfect manicure salon-like, and especially if you're a beginner. So this is for total beginners who want to start off right now with painting their nails and just getting into nail art, and you want to have that perfect, chic, sleek manicure every time. So these are the items that you will need. And first thing that you will need is a nail file, and if you're a beginner, it can be any nail file. It doesn't have to be a glass one, but my recommendation is glass one because they are very good, they last very long, and they don't really make any tears in your nails, while the standard, it can cause a little bit of damaging to your nails, like a little tears. And if you use a regular nail file, please file in one direction, while if you're using a glass nail file, you're good to go in any direction you want. I tried it myself and it's good. Second thing that you will need is a base coat, and these are the products that I've been using for years. This is a base coat and it helps prevent your nails from staining or yellowing from nail polish use. And if you use nail polishes very often and you don't protect your natural nails with base coat, you will get staining or yellowing, while if you use a base coat, you will be good. But however, if your nails are already stained, if you started using nail polish, if your nails are already stained, if you apply base coat, it will just make sure that your nails don't continue on staining and doesn't like get it more yellow. It won't magically erase the yellowness. The yellowness has to like grow out. And please, if you're a beginner, don't buff away your like stains, because it will make your nails actually a lot weaker. Then you're going to need a nail polish of your choice, and this is the one that I have currently in the video. I absolutely love it. This is my ultimate favorite nail polish, I think, of 2018, and I will definitely use it in 2019. And it's very neutral color. I love neutrals. So yes, and then you will going to need any cleanup brush. This is just an old makeup brush of mine, and you're gonna dip it in acetone, and if you make any mistakes, you can clean them up. You can also use a little like cotton swab. I have been using that one for a while once I was a beginner. And then at the end, you will need a top coat. Quick drying top coat is a savior, and it definitely transforms your manicure from like plain Jane to amazing looking manicure, salon ready. And it's something that I love using, and I get so many questions how my nails dry so fast. It's this top coat that I've been using for years. Ever since I started doing my own nails, I've been using the same top coat and base coat, and that is basically it. So the top coat is definitely a trial and an error, because you can buy some quick drying top coats and they will not dry your nails as fast. Been there, done that, until I discovered this one. And finally, you're going to need nail oil, which is going to be your best friend. You want to apply nail oil at least 3 times a day, and I have a video on how to grow your nails from short in just like a week or 10 days. You will see a difference, and it's all because of nail oils. So once your manicure is fully dry, once you finish it, you apply nail oil, wait a few minutes, and then rinse it off with some water, and you're all set to go. I really hope this video was helpful for beginners who want to have perfect manicure. These are essentials that you will need. In the next video, which is going to be connected to this one, I will share with you how to paint nails for total beginners, and I will definitely explain everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in comments, and I will talk with you soon. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!